The process of creation is something I'm addicted to. I had this idea to make this puzzle box based on an idea that I saw. And I've been designing boxes and I've been designing puzzles. And it sounds like a great idea. I can do this. And then I go about doing it. And I'm trying to open this box. And I start working on it. And it's this roller coaster. I start thinking, wow, this is a crazy idea. I'm not gonna be able to pull this off. What am I doing with my time? To different phases of that, where it's like, oh, I just made this thing worse. It's never gonna work. To a moment that is like, it's done. I fulfilled on my idea. It works. It's a complete project. It is done exactly the way that I want it. Beautiful, useful, a puzzle box. And it feels so good, that feeling when you actually accomplish that, exactly what you envision, going from raw material to a finished product like this. It's like alchemy. Anyways, if any of my friends can discover how to unlock this box without cheating, I will give it to you. This one I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna make a few of them. I have this formula for getting exactly what I want. It's like magic, right? I am not able to open this box. It's gonna take something, really. I don't imagine most people will know. Anyways, if you can figure it out, I'll give it to you. Thank you for watching.